Welcome to Baby Need. This channel is about giving tips for women who are planning for pregnancy or going through pregnancy. Also, we give information on your responsibilities in taking care of newborn. In this video, we are going to talk about flight tips for parents to travel with kids happily. Traveling can be fun and enjoyable while we are single and even get to experience some new things when we are a couple, but traveling while we are parents can be a little bit tough as we will have our kids as responsibility. But keeping this as a reason, we cannot just avoid traveling. And cannot even continue traveling dumb and struggling all the time. We need to find some ways out to help us in having a happy and wonderful journey. So, here we present you with some of the flight tips for all those parents who travel with kids to make their journeys better and comfortable. What are parents' responsibilities? Before heading towards the tips for flight journeys, the first thing that everyone, especially those who are flying with a baby, would know is that they must be teaching the kid manners and respect. Even if you are tired of them after trying to teach them the proper flight etiquette, you should not give up, as they should not disturb the other passengers on the flight. It also comes under parenting, so it is your responsibility to teach them manners. This can actually make your task while you travel with kids a simple and better one. Useful flight tips for parents who fly with children. 1. Fly during the early hours of the day. During the early hours of the day, there will not be much rush in the flights and airports as well, which makes your movement with the kids easier. And also, kids will be feeling drowsy and sleepy, so you will have a really happy journey while your kids have a happy sleep. So better plan to fly as early as you can. 2. Early boarding. Flight boarding is one of the major boring issues, as one needs to withstand the long queues. And if we have got kids with us while traveling, the long boarding lines can be a major issue. But the benefit that the parents flying with a toddler or an infant get is that they will be allowed to board early. It will give you an opportunity to settle down and adjust before the flight takes off. 3. Bring food and entertainment for your kids. Flying with a baby can double your luggage during traveling. You should be pre-planned and should learn some packing tricks. You should learn to pack smartly and have little to carry while having everything you need for your kid. Also, pack everything that your kids may need during the journey. Have some homemade food, as you don't know how your kids will take the flight food, and also keep some activities ready for them to engage them during the journey and make them involved in something, and don't let them feel bored. 4. Talk with them. The major issue while you travel with kids is that we may not observe their boredom and ignore them being engaged in our own entertainment, which makes them annoyed. Don't give your kids a chance to do annoying things. This will also help them in keeping them diverted from their fear to fly if they have it. Be with them, talk to them, ask them about how they are feeling, tell them about how you feel, share your thoughts, ask them to share their thoughts, and keep communicating with them to make the journey better and happy. 5. Avoid long flights. You cannot just make the kids sit in the seat for a really long time, as it will make them irritated and annoyed, so you can prefer to take travel breaks by avoiding long planes, as the board-offs will allow them some time to roam in the airport, which will be refreshing for you and them as well. 6. Surprise them on board. Plan some surprise for your kids and don't reveal any clue to them until you both board the flight, and it works better when your kids are really bored and you have got no other option to keep them entertained. Let them reveal their surprise and let them get surprised. Bring their favorite food, or bring a new toy, as it will grab their attention for a long time. 7. Go for walks on flight. You cannot make kids just sit doing anything for a long time, so while you try to keep them entertained with some activities and conversations, you may find them getting bored after some time, and you can take them for small walks, which helps them to lighten their excitement and also helps you to stretch your muscles, so prefer going for walks and your kids will love them. A few more tips for parents traveling with kids. Encourage your kids towards maintaining a travel journal if they are above 8 years and above. Let them pen down their travel experiences. This helps you keeping them engaged. To avoid any further issues, keep the necessary basic medicines ready with you while you are traveling with your kids, as we don't know how the atmosphere changes affect the children. And also have the first aid kit handy. Put in a sticker of your mobile number on your kid, either on their t-shirt or dress, or even on their hand, so that if they ever get lost in the huge crowd, it will be easy for others who find them to bring back to you. Also, pack in the blankets and jackets for your kids to avoid any inconvenience during the flights, as it will be cold in flights, so make them feel comfortable by dressing them up warm. And more than anything, be prepared for anything and don't always expect your kid to be well-mannered and silent. Have everything they will ask for you ready with you, communicate with them, teach them manners, and let them enjoy their journey and make both of your journeys great. For more information and updates, visit our website babyneed.in. Thanks for watching this video completely. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also comment your questions in the comment box below.